It looks like the Donald Duck 3000s.
Got that Bigfoot.
The Donald Duck ones.
Donald Duck.
Did you read the pistachios?
Uh-uh.
Oh, dang.
I should have, though.
It's okay.
We got people behind us, too.
You do? Oh, crap. It didn't break. Anytime I've ever wanted to get away, it's always been the same thing, the same remedy, the same cure. It's always going out, getting into nature, getting lost, sometimes in a very literal sense. Super humid.
What?
It's super humid.
Yeah. Now I just wonder how we're gonna get back.
Probably be a different trail altogether.
I just want to get to the top of the mountain so I can say, God, do you hear me? I'm right here. Well, he knows exactly where I'm at every day. He's got like, not necessarily x-ray, but...
See, hiking has never been just physical to me. Hiking has always been spiritual to me. It's a spiritual experience. Everything about it, from the climb to the view from the top of the mountain, the difficulty, the challenge, having to prepare yourself, trekking through the wilderness, everything in my mind can be translated to a spiritual message. So every time I climb a mountain, it feels like I'm having a spiritual experience. One of the first encounters I ever had with God, in fact, was on a mountain. So anytime like I need to get away, I want to connect with God, it's a for sure thing I'm going to go hiking. You think we'll see a rattlesnake today?
A what? A what?
A rattlesnake.
Anything's possible.
The only thing I don't like about here is how the trails aren't marked.
Yeah, we could get lost out here. It's okay, I have really good photographic memory.
I'm pretty sure we'll take a different trail back down. I'm pretty sure the trail we take that back down will be different.
Oh yeah, most likely.
Ooh. I almost lost my balance, chat. Look at those pretty wildflowers. This is uncharted territory now. I've never been up here.
Well, something new every day. Isn't it cool being up here? The rocks look better. This looks like a hallway of some sort.
It does look cool. And the breeze is much nicer here.
The scenery's better here.
Oh, heck no.
What? There's a cave over there. There's a cave system right there. I'm not going in it because I don't do any spelunking. That's dangerous.
Chat, should we go into the cave? Should we go into the cave, chat?
I think I'm gonna go in the cave. I'm gonna hold on these branches so I don't fall. So I'm gonna go to the cave system.
Herschel just went AWOL.
I'm still here.
Yo, Herschel, say something.
Hello.
That's crazy. The mic's still picking up. Did you make it out the other side?
Huh?
Did you make it out the other side?
Yeah, I could. on the top of the mountain. There's a footprint right here.
I don't think I can do that. I don't think I can do that. Why didn't you just grab onto this rock right here? Whew. Checking now.
I like enough water for one person. There are some signs of life up here.
What's that?
Signs of life, water bottles. I'm gonna get on this rock. Are you ready? Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain.
I'm gonna try this at home.
You. Huh? Spider-Man.
That was actually really cool.
Huh?
That was actually really cool.
Was it really?
Oh. I had to jump there, chat. I had to jump there. The view was worth it though.
Alright. Your last and final task.
1,000 feet elevation probably. Actually.
I don't know. We
close,
are
like 1900 probably.
clothed and afraid.
Clothed and afraid.
Uh,
Oh. That's a cool shot, honestly.
is it really?
It is.
I like cool shots. Perfect. Photos. Tons of photos. We never went to Prayer Mountain.
I thought about going there when, like, I was like, I didn't know if I wanted to drive 2 hours.
2 hours?
This is a 2-hour drive.
Yeah.
You want to throw a rock?
Where are you gonna throw it at?
Just gonna throw it. I'm gonna
You
chunk
gonna
it.
make it in the stream?
And do it like this. Like I'm skipping rocks.
Ooh, it looks like a kite over there.
What?
See it flying over there?
What the? What?
There it is right there.
What, the bird?
Flying around that rock down there.
The bird?
Yeah. Kite falcon.
I'm surprised you've not fallen and slipped on in those.
It's not just about the traction, it's about your leg positioning.
That's true for some of the part. Most part.
I think we're almost down though. Yeah, the trail goes this way. Right? Okay, no, I lost the trail. No, it goes that way.
We were right.
We'll go right.
Walking in a little circle. Little figure eight.
Oh, I see it now.
Dang, there's a lot of people coming this way.
We're almost done though. Here it is. We made it.
We're back on the path.
For a minute there, I was a little worried.
You're like,
Not that we'd be lost, but I'm like, oh crap, I'm hungry.
we're not even down yet. And you want to tell me we're going back up?
It's over now. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Would you consider that getting lost?
What? What we just did?
I don't think we were lost.
No, we were. We had a good sense of direction, though.
This is what I needed, Herschel. I need to be out in nature. It's like therapeutic for me.
It's better than therapy, because nature is free. So this is your sign to get out in nature. Disconnect from everything that you've got going on right now. Forget about deadlines. Forget about everything else. Go out. Get lost. Connect with nature. Connect with God. There's very few times that I will regret hiking. And hiking will always be a spiritual experience to me. It's the way I encounter God.